Hi everybody, this is Michelle. I had trouble with the photo sound editor downloading, so I looked further, and after investigating more I decided to look at RecordPad. So I was able to download it for my Mac. It is a audio recording device. It was very easy to download. It looks like this. This comes up on your screen. Sorry, that's my dog barking. It supports audio feed and input from all different sources, and it's basically like a recorder, like you would use an app on your phone. So you can analog or digitally rip. The functionality I'm really not familiar with this kind of stuff, so I sort of researched a little bit online and along with playing around with it. And what I'm finding out is that it has very limited functionality. It's just a standalone recording application. So in order to edit and convert and burn different types of things, there are plugins that are required. It does support AIFF, WAV, and MP3s if you want to save a recording session, but moving up from saving, you'd need additional plugins to do other things such as edit and convert and burn. Some of the additional plugins would be like WavePad Sound Editor, Master's Edition, which is something that's required to add on. So additional effects and filters are available, but they don't come pre-packaged, so that would be an extra purchase. And what I have been reading and finding out is that WavePad has been not really positively rated. I was able to do a little recording session and I just saved it as an MP3. It's very, very easy to use, but you know, the flip side to that is it's very limited in what you can use it for. So without the plugins, I'm not sure if it's really functional for our uses, for a classroom or for a professional development organization. It is a solid recorder, and if that's all you need it for, it's fine. What I think, if I used additional plugins, what I would use this for is something like, for example, the Rutgers Reading and Writing Conference. It's an annual conference. There's an online registration form now. So it went from paper to online. A lot of people are having problems you know, it's a learning curve going from paper to an online system. So I may use this voice recorder to do a screencast and actually record the process. But then again, I could probably just do a screencast and achieve the same thing. I may use this recorder to record some interviews of some Literacy Center members if I wanted to do some testimonials on a website. So people can hear instead of just read what the center is about. I can also interview some of the speakers that come, and I can again, I would need to purchase additional plugins, but then I can use those recordings to increase the attractability of our website, so people can go and learn more about it. They can read testimonials, but then they can also hear testimonials, which might be a nice thing, especially if they can recognize the person and respect them in the field. So that's it. It's very basic. This is what it looks like. There's a microphone. You play, you record. Here is where you stop it and save it, and then you can put it into different forms, so MP3, WAV, AIF, and then it gives you a place to where you want to save it. What else? You can delete it. Here's the place to buy the different online plugins. It's small. It goes right in the corner of your screen. So it's definitely not obtrusive, but I think in the end there probably are better functions. But like I said, I'm not 100% familiar, so I'm not sure if all the free downloads require additional purchases. But all in all, it's easy to use, but like I said, it has limited functionability. Thank you.